What's going on there, gun tubers? Got a new pickup today. I did some trading and I decided to go the AK route today. And this is the box that came in. I got the Pioneer Arms Sporter AK-47 7.62 by 39 version. And as you can see, it is proudly made in Poland. And yeah, so this is the box that comes in, just an average old box. And let's open it up, take a look. Got some nice foam here. And look at there. Beautiful, beautiful wood. And comes with one magazine. Still standard polymer magazine. Comes with a chamber flag. And just really, I mean, this thing just caught my eye. And the reason I went with this route is because I wanted to get a budget AK, and I didn't want a American made one. Not that I got anything against American made products, but when it comes to AKs, most people desire to get a imported one. So this is about the most budget friendly imported one you can get. I got it for $7.25, I think. Yeah, so that's pretty good for imported AK. Let's take a look at the other side here. It's got this little logo here from where it was made. This is Sporter from Pioneer Arms, and it comes with a optic mount. But this laminate wood is just beautiful, just beautiful. So let me take the box out and set up on tripod, and we'll check the trigger pull. All right, well, underneath the foam in the box, I didn't realize it had the manual. So looks like a very basic manual here. Firearm safety rules, things like that. So all right, it's all good. And I got me a Magpul P-Mag to try along with the mag that came with it. So let's try the trigger pull first, see what we look like here. And it is clear. So let's check it. Feels good. It's got a C on the trigger. Not sure exactly what that means. Is that a Century Arms trigger or something? I'm not sure. I'll have to research that a little more. But yeah, it's got a nice rack to it. Nice trigger pull. So let's try this magazine, see how it does here. This is the one that came with it. Fits in there very nice, very snug. Looks good in there too. Looks like the Circle 10 magazine, but I'm not sure. Let's try the P-Mag. Oh yeah, look at that. Very, very nice lockup. Looks good, man. Tell you, it's got the slant brake on the end here. Look at that. So, wow. This thing is just a beauty. Really nice. So we're gonna take it out. We're gonna take some shots, take our first shots, and I got some steel ammo that I'm gonna try. Real cheap ammo, but hey, it's an AK, right? That's what we're doing here. So let's take it out on the range and let's take some shots. All right. Mag dumping like a mofo. She ran flawless. First 40 rounds.
Colt Python's Akimbo 357 Magnums. That was quick. Beautiful weapon. Beautiful. 8 inch, 6 inch.